What kind of online business you should start? Take online surveys. If you like giving your opinion, you might want to try doing online surveys from home to make a little extra cash while trying new products. There are hundreds of companies that enlist research panels of average consumers to complete surveys online. You can't expect to earn a full salary from taking online surveys, but it is possible to earn $50 to $100 a month in cash and free products if you take several short surveys, according to experienced online survey site members. Try signing up with several survey sites, which are all free to join, to increase your chances of being selected for the surveys. Be aware that compensation varies by company and by survey. You may receive a few dollars, or be sent free products in exchange for trying them and providing feedback about them. Answer technical questions. If you have expert knowledge on a certain topic, then a quick way to make some cash is to answer questions about it online. Topics range from basic legal procedures, to psychological health, to computer troubleshooting. First, you need to find reputable websites that will pay you for sharing your expertise. Try sites like Just Answer, Keen and CharChar. Be aware that most sites have a minimum payout rate, usually $20. Online website and app tester. Become a tester and earn $10 per test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your home computer or smartphone. Try sites like Userfeel, Perfection, Userlytics. Use an online auction website. It's easier than ever to sell stuff online these days. You can set up your own website and start your own small-scale business, or you can go through an online auction website like eBay. Which option you go for all depends on whether you're looking for a long-term money spinner or a quick fix. Decide what your goal is. Setting up your own online store is a great idea if you're looking for a long-term project and you're willing to invest your time and money into it. Online auction sites, on the other hand, are good options if you are looking to sell something quickly, as they already have large customer bases of people ready to snap up a bargain. eBay, Webstore and eBid are some of the most popular ones. Decide what you want to sell. Are you going to sell a wide range of products, or would you prefer to specialize in something specific? Do you have the products ready to go, or will you need to source them from somewhere else? Research the competition. See what your potential competitors are doing and make sure there's a gap in the market for your store. Decide what kind of online store you want to set up. Do you want to own your own website? This will give you greater control of your business, but also requires more hands-on, technical knowledge. Consider enlisting a tech-savvy friend as a business partner if you're not comfortable with the more technical computer skills. As Amazon, eBay, Shopify and Etsy. You will pay to use this service, but otherwise they're pretty hassle-free. Market your site. Write online reviews. There are many websites which offer payment for good quality, original reviews of products, services, original reviews of products, services, restaurants, websites, books, films, etc. Some websites will pay you up front for your reviews, others will pay you a certain amount of money based on the number of times your reviews are read. There are other websites that will give you a percentage of the ad revenues generated by your review. Look at websites such as ReviewStream, Do You, Shared Reviews and Opinions. Complete paid online offers. Some sites offer cash rewards for completing varied online tasks, ranging from reading emails, filling out forms, completing surveys, playing online games or referring your friends. Beware of scams. Some sites might request a membership fee, or require you to provide personal information. Be wary of such sites. Try to find third-party reviews and ratings to ensure that the site is legitimate. Make money through blogging. There are many ways to earn money through blogging, from advertising, sponsorship, affiliate programs, to selling your own products. How much money you can make depends on a lot of factors, including how much time you are willing to invest in your blog and how much traffic your blog gets. Choose your niche. Pick a topic that you find interesting. It's easier to write about something you have a passion for. Try to choose something topical or something that involves a large community of people. If you want to make money from your blog, you need people to read it. You will need to buy the domain name, which will then be your website or blog, and then find someone to host it for you. The next step will be to set up your blog and install it. You will then need to provide content to the blog before promoting your site on the internet. Advertisements. Some online providers are on the constant lookout for sites that will support advertisements, and will pay either according to how many visitors the site gets or how many clicked on the ad. There is also a possibility for the site owner to earn a commission from the sales made by the manufacturer as a result of the customer clicking on the ad. Products. Some companies offer bloggers to review their products for a certain fee. You can choose to sell or promote products on your website that are related to your niche. Posting video reviews of products on YouTube can also be a very profitable venture. Affiliate programs. While not as high earning as the other strategies, adding links to relevant affiliate products on your own blog can generate income as well. Join popular networks like ClickBank, MaxWeb, Warrior Plus, Digistore24 and JVZoo to find items of interest to your audience. E-book selling. Even if you sell your ebook for less than $20 per copy, the net profit you get will pile up, and you can get a steady income from this alone. You can make your book available on Amazon as a hard copy or Kindle version. Pull together a collection of your most popular blog posts or create a blogging 101 guide that you can use to profit from your blogging efforts. There are several tools available. For example, you can use Google Docs for free, or you can check out a paid service called Zinapore. Don't be disheartened if your blog isn't making much money right away. Things take time, and the amount of money you'll earn will build gradually. For more information on how to make money online with zero capital, chat with us on the following numbers: 080728898844, 081813533795. Visit our Learning Center DIGITALOMA Solution. 22 Olaniyi Street, Amakanle, Lagos.